Utilizing a proprietary bio-enzymatic and detergent blend, Natural Miracle biologically engineered instant malodor destroyer and cleaner is a multifunctional powerhouse that liquefies grease, cleans stains, and controls odors. The over 200 billion bacteria per gallon destroys odors in dumpsters, trash chutes, and holding tanks in boats and RVs. In restrooms, Natural Miracle not only deodorizes, but it also cleans most surfaces and removes uric acid. It also makes a great carpet stain spotter and deodorizer, even after pet accidents. All that's left behind is the signature Bay John fragrance.